Good morning! Warm welcome on this beautiful day. This is the sixth episode of the first season of Train Against the Pain. My name is Adam Ostrowski, I'm a physiotherapist. Join me and exercise together with me, even if you feel pain in your thoracic spine. The first exercise is done while lying on your back. Your knees are bent. Look, lift your hips and reach your arms across your body. Your head stays relaxed on the floor. The pelvis lifts up and the rotation happens in the upper body. This exercise is a little more advanced, but I believe you watched the earlier episodes, so you are ready for it. Do it slowly and breathe normally, throughout your nose. And that's it. All 6 episodes of the first season of Train Against the Pain are now live. It feels like we only just started, and now we are already at the last episode. The next season will be here at the beginning of next year, but feel free to return to these exercises anytime, even daily. The idea is to build a habit of moving every day. Today we move the thoracic spine strongly and with energy. I hope you will enjoy these exercises. For the second exercise, go into a hands and knees position. Lift one hand from the floor and reach it up high behind you. Use the supporting arm to push the floor away and open your chest as much as possible. Breathing in can help you open the chest best throughout the nose. Then move the same arm down and across your body, rotating in the opposite direction. This way you will train rotation to both sides. I'm doing 5 repetitions on one side and then switching arms, but you can also do it alternating, right arm, left arm, and so on. With every exercise I show you, you should be able to breathe calmly throughout your nose. Try not to hold your breath and not to breathe throughout your mouth. These exercises should not make you out of breath or raise your heart rate a lot. If they do, slow down and relax the movement. And now the last exercise on this season, the cherry on top. Sit comfortably on a chair. Drop your head slightly forward, like after too many drinks in a bar. Then make a slow circular movement, like drawing a barrel, in the place where your arms are crossed, in the middle of your thoracic spine. This time, your chest and your head move together in a circle. The movement should come from the thoracic spine, not from the neck. I'm not a fan to rotating the neck like people used to do during warm-ups in PE class. For many people, this can put too much stress on unstable neck joints. So, imagine your spine is soft like rubber. Move slowly, gently, and relax your whole body at the end. That's all. If you were with me throughout all 6 episodes of the first season, thank you very, very much. You can be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. I hope you will return to these exercises and keep building the habit of daily movement for your joints and muscles. Thank you so much. Adam Ostrowski, physiotherapist, Train Against the Pain.